Sunday, cleaning day, and I'm quite the mess here. But I wanted to do a quick Trader Joe's haul because we went to Trader Joe's last night. We don't have a Trader Joe's anywhere near us. It's 2 hours away. So as much as I would love to get like fresh, yummy stuff, frozen stuff, it just wasn't feasible. So we did get a few snacks and stuff that I wanted to share with you. I put everything back in the bag. But we already opened these, some ghost pepper potato chips. I didn't try them. My husband just tried them. He said they aren't even hot. Let me go ahead and try one. Oh my gosh, they're so cute though. They're like, they have little holes in them. They look like a little waffle fry. Mmm. They're good. Not hot. Maybe a little spice if you eat a bunch of them. Really salty and really good though. Great flavor. Love those. Mmm. I didn't know if they would be good the way he was laying it at me. Oh, and we opened these two as soon as we got in the car. Organic jalapeno seasoned corn and rice puffs. So good. I'm not even a snacker. I never eat snacks. I do, however, eat chips. I guess chips are my snack, so I love chips and dip. Chips and salsa, chips and dip, just whatever. So those are things I like to snack on. But since we couldn't bring any like fruit or vegetable, since we couldn't bring any like cold items home, we did get like a bunch of snacks and stuff. I haven't had cereal in forever. I never eat cereal, so I decided to get a box of these maple pecan clusters. And I have a little Yucca app that I scan on things to see if like stuff is poison or if it's bad for you, whatever. And this one rated positively, so it's a good healthy cereal. And I even went and bought milk today, real milk. So I'm a little nervous about that. I don't consume dairy milk, but I couldn't decide what kind of non-dairy milk to get. It was too overwhelming and I was in a hurry, so I just got some like grass-fed organic whole milk, and we're gonna try that out. I always get these at Trader Joe's, the sweet and spicy pecans. You probably can't see any of this stuff. Ooh, and this smells so good. Let me get closer. Got some tropical Brazil coffee beans. Look how cute the packaging is. Gonna try those out. Also, some sparkling rosé. No. We aren't doing automatic focus. I had to turn the automatic focus off. I hate that. It just blurs the whole time. We got some organic chocolate chip granola bites. This light is making everything a problem. Some dill pickle mustard, which I'm really excited about because I used to get this dill mustard at Walmart and it was so good. So I'm hoping this has the same taste. Got a big thing of sea salt. And I did go there to pick up some spices to go in my new little spice organizing area. So I got this garlicky and spicy seasoning. And the pizza sprinkle. The green goddess seasoning, which I love. The smoky and hot chili powder. It's a blend of smoked paprika and hot chili. Love spicy stuff. And then there's another one in here. Crunchy chili onion sprinkle. So I really don't know what that's about, but we're gonna try it out. We got some crispy jalapeno pieces. My husband thought these would be really good in salads. I got some fruit and vegetable wash for my produce. And then some sparkling pineapple juice. I got these cherry plums to try. I don't think I've ever had a cherry plum. I love plums, so these just look like little baby ones. And then we got some crispy, crunchy peanut butter cookies. My husband tried one. I have not had one yet. Oh, and I got this really cute insulated Trader Joe's bag. I think it was like $7.99. I saw they had pink ones online somewhere, but they didn't have them. The day that I went, they only had this color. And then we already dug into these as well, the sea salt brownie bites. So good. And I thought these would be good to try. Some pizza seasoned crackers. Those look good as well. And I think that is all we got. But I just love shopping at Trader Joe's. I wish that was my life. Like I could regularly shop there. Just such a vibe there. If you guys have one next to you, you're so lucky. The fresh florals, just everything. There's so many interesting things to try. There were so many things that I wanted to bring home, but it's a 2-hour drive and we were going to eat after that. So I was like, none of this would be, you can't just keep that in the car. So I am happy with the things that we did get, but now I'm going to unbox our new carpet shampooer. Kids are still wilding out. We've got like 1 week left till school starts. So I'm about to get back on a schedule, and you know what? I'm pretty excited. All right, now back to my Sunday cleaning. After going through 2 carpet cleaners, a Hoover and a Bissell, and the Bissell I only had for 2 months before it broke, I finally settled on this Shark carpet cleaner, and I'm hoping it will do much better in the long run. After the first initial use, it is so much better than the other 2. I'm not even sure the exact one that I had before, but the way that it worked, like the mechanisms were so cheap and basic, they just fell apart very easily, which is what has happened. Like the little trigger thing, we couldn't get it to work, so I got this one and it is so much nicer, and I definitely need it with a puppy and another dog in the house. I gotta keep my carpets fresh, and so far I'm loving this one and highly recommend it. I will link it down below in the description box if you want to check it out. I feel like I spend most of my days just doing all of these basic chores day in and day out, restocking, refilling everything, mopping the floors, vacuuming the floors, shampooing the carpets, doing the dishes. It really just never ends around here, but I'm just doing some basic daily chores, and I know my hair is just really in the way here, but I had just washed it and blow dried it, and if you know, you know, putting it up in a hair tie after that just leaves a crease in it and messes it all up. So I was hoping to keep it looking good while I did my chores. I know, I'm such a diva. This is the little butler's pantry area. Right next to this is my hutch that I'm going to be decorating for fall in one of my upcoming videos. I'm super excited about that, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming cozy fall content. I know this little area is kind of cluttered, but I've got to have my ice maker here, and I have this little Keurig coffee maker, which the boys love to use. They love making hot chocolate in it, but this is all the room that I have for all these little things, and I haven't been having coffee for a while, and I want to start making coffee again. I just got my new coffee beans, and I want to get my other coffee pot out, so I'm gonna have to try to figure out how I'm going to fit all this stuff
in this area. I'm probably gonna have to move some of it to the kitchen, or maybe I should just get rid of the Keurig altogether. But the only reason I'm keeping it around is because the boys love to use it. I'll just keep dreaming that maybe one day I'll get a new laundry room and I can put a big huge coffee bar where the washer and dryer currently is, and that would just solve all of my problems for this room at least.
Today is Wednesday and it is 7:30 p.m. My husband is on his way home with dinner, and I usually cook every weeknight, but it like creates such a big mess and I have to clean it up. I'm excited that we're like getting takeout, and we haven't had Pizza Hut since March, and before that it had been years. I love Pizza Hut. For some reason, he doesn't. So I feel like I'm getting an amazing treat tonight because we're getting Pizza Hut. But I'm trying to get everything cleaned up, and the fridge is a disaster from cooking all week and just shoving things around. So I'm going to clean that out, but I'm going to unbag a few of my home goods finds, because I ran in the other day and got this really cute cauldron. I can't wait to show you. It's a disco ball like my wreath, which is hanging up on the pantry because I had nowhere to put it, but I picked these up when I ran in there to see if they had that cauldron. And look how cute this little ghost mug is with the hearts. They had a checkered one, but I thought she was perfect. I know I don't need any more stuff for my hutch, but I think last year may have been the first year that I did the Halloween hutch. So I bought everything all that year. So I kind of just rushed my collection, and I wanted to like get different pieces. So maybe I'll trade them out. Ones that I don't like and kind of change it up over the years, but I can't keep myself from buying something. So I'll have to think of something. But I got this cute little jar. I love how it just looks like a vintage little pumpkin. And the lid comes off, but it's taped shut. And then I got another little vintage looking piece. It's like a candy dish. It looks like a bat. It's got the polka dots on it. And I'm doing everything orange and black. And pumpkin, a lot of pumpkins. So I think those will be two fun pieces to play around with. And there's only two because I haven't really seen a lot. So the few that I've seen, I'm like grabbing. Put these away. Okay, and my stuff is just sitting here, and I got this garland out. Don't worry, that's not how it's going to stay, but I just wanted to throw it up there so I can kind of get some ideas of which direction I'm going to go with this room. But this is what I got at TJ Maxx, and look how adorable it is. I am in love with the disco balls. It is so cute, and it's got little twinkle lights on it, so it lights up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so cute. Earlier, I am just doing a quick fridge clean out here. I think I had like 15 or 20 minutes, and I was trying to just get rid of what needed to be gone, and I think something had leaked in here, so I was trying to take things out, wash everything off, and get things as organized as possible. I just hate all the cluttered condiments in the fridge. They're so ugly. But we did get a new fridge, a single door fridge for our garage, so that a lot of drinks and stuff, like the kids and my husband love these jugs of Milo's sweet tea, and I'm tired of going to the store for them, so I'm like, we need to get stocked up on them, and they won't fit in our little drink fridge, so I'm just gonna keep the drink fridge for like some juices and
water and sparkling water, and then they can keep all their disgusting sweet tea and beer and like leftover pizza boxes, stuff that won't fit in the fridge. It'll be really good for parties and stuff like that, holidays for sure. So we already had a stand-up freezer out there, but the fridge is going to be very helpful. Now I'm just washing off some of my produce that I hadn't got around to doing yet using my new Trader Joe fruit wash, and I'm just kind of doing it really quickly and trying to get everything back in the fridge before my husband gets back with our Pizza Hut dinner for the night. Not healthy, I know, but sometimes you just gotta give in and eat some junk food. It's not the most aesthetic looking right now, but everything's cleaned out and organized, and I can finally see everything just the way I like it. Now I'm going to wash my new mugs and set them up in my cabinet because I'm starting to trickle out my fall decor a little bit at a time as I accumulate it and get things out. That way I'm not bombarded with it all at once. So I'm just putting my 2 new Halloween mugs in the cabinet so that when I open the cabinet, they'll be right there and ready to be used. And the last thing I'm going to do is clear off my kitchen island, and I got a new vase and some florals at Home Goods, I think, and I'm gonna try them out on the island. I'm not sure if I like them yet. I left the tags on the florals because I'm gonna see if I can find something a little more fall feeling, which I do think these feel like fall to me, but I'm just not sure about them right now, so I'm just gonna let them sit here for a while until I decide whether I like them or not, or if I can find something that I like better. But thank you guys so much for watching. Fall content is coming your way. I have some unboxings and some decorating, and I can't wait to share it with you guys, so stay tuned and I will see you in my next one. Bye!